This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Eason. Amazing sunset view home. Come see this gorgeous home in the fabulous 55-plus community of Cascades at River Hall. This Clifton floor plan has 2 bedrooms plus den, tile in the main living areas and luxury vinyl wood flooring in the bedrooms and den. Some amazing upgrades like upper and lower cabinet lighting, custom glass front door with screen, upgraded lights and ceiling fans throughout, LG French door refrigerator, custom landscaping and sits on one of the best lots in the community. The spacious living/dining room and large island in the kitchen make it great for entertaining. Then you walk out to your enormous extended 40 by 21 lanai with a huge picture window for unobstructed, long lake views. You can sit in your hot tub and watch the amazing sunsets while sipping on your favorite beverage. The amenities include pickleball, tennis, bocce, beautiful community pool and hot tub, loads of social groups, full cable, and high-speed internet, and all your lawn care needs are taken care of. You can also enjoy River Hall Country Club for lunch, dinner or pay-as-you-play golf, no membership required. Come see what Cascades has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Eason at 239-213-8555.